Question is, are there specific keywords and phrases that law firms should target to generate more leads, to get more cases for their firm? And the short answer is yes. But I wouldn't look so microscopically at trying to rank for like 5 vanity keywords. That's not really how SEO works. It's funny because I see sometimes proposals that are being shared with me where SEO agencies are basically charging law firms based on like 10 keywords. I think that's just, not really the way that you should be doing SEO. I think, if you're doing SEO right, you shouldn't be like so grounded to looking at like keywords on a daily basis and tracking only 5 or 10 keywords. To be honest with you, if you're doing SEO correctly, you should be starting to rank for hundreds and thousands of keywords. And so all of those keywords are then kind of bringing different people into your website from different buying funnels, right? Whether it's top of funnel and they're just looking for information, or it's bottom funnel. It's like, hey, I'm looking for a lawyer right now, right? Based on all the content that you're writing and the links that you're building, hopefully, the number of keywords that you're ranking for is growing and compounding every month. So, again, just to summarize this, I don't think you need to kind of like look specifically at finding 5 or 10 keywords. I think that's a good seed list that you can use. But overall, like, it's infinite number of keywords that you should be ranking.